Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover lost streaks on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. So here it is. Open Snapchat and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on the gear icon on the top right. Here you need to scroll down and click on I have a privacy question. So once you are on that window, you simply need to select I lost my snap streak, and here you need to scroll down and click on how do I restore my snap streak, and wait for a few seconds. And here you can see, then you need to click on still need help, then you need to click on yes. So click on yes, and here you need to enter your username, your email, your mobile number, your device, and you simply need to fill all this information, and then you need to click on submit. Then the Snapchat team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help you recover. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.